Speak life, taking dominion over your day. Confident, faith-filled, commanding, uplifting. The power of words. Wake up, mighty one of God. The sun has risen, and so have you. What will you speak into your morning? Today isn't happening to you. Today is waiting for your command. Before you rush into the noise of the world, pause. What will you declare over your life, your children, and your future? Because heaven is listening. The earth is waiting. Your words are seeds, and they will grow. What if you could speak your dreams into existence? You see, the power of life and death is not in your circumstances. It's not in your job, or your past, or your enemies. It's in your tongue. Proverbs 18, verse 21 says, "Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and those who love it will eat its fruit." Firm teaching tone. That means your words feed your tomorrow. Every sentence you speak is a seed that builds your future. You can speak light, or you can speak limitation. You can speak victory, or you can echo defeat. And today, we choose life. We choose faith. We choose to build with our words. The creative power of words. From the very beginning, God showed us the pattern. He said, "Let there be light," and light appeared. He didn't think it silently, he spoke it. Creation responded to his voice. And because we are made in his image, our words also carry power. You are not ordinary. You are a speaking spirit. You can shift the atmosphere with the sound of your voice. Pause. Think about it. When you say, "I'm afraid," fear multiplies. But when you say, "I am courageous, for the Lord is with me," peace rises. When you say, "I can't," doors close. But when you say, "With God, all things are possible," mountains move. Your mouth is a gate. It opens the flow of blessing or the stream of bitterness. That's why today, we guard our mouths and guide our mornings. Are your words watering faith or feeding fear? Let me ask you this. What do your children hear when you speak? What are you saying about your life right now? Question and challenge. Sometimes, every time you declare truth, darkness loses its grip. The most powerful spiritual warfare is not shouting, it's speaking right. Every time you speak light, confusion begins to scatter. Say this with me. My words create my world. I will speak what God says about me. I will not agree with fear. I agree with faith. Pause. You don't need to see it yet. You just need to say it. Because faith speaks before it sees. Hebrews 11, verse 3 tells us, "By faith, we understand that the worlds were framed by the word of God." That means, if God framed the world by his word, you can frame your world by yours. Steady, confident. Repeat after me. Let faith rise as you speak. Today, I take authority over my tongue. My words align with heaven. Every word I speak builds my destiny. Pause. I declare, I am blessed. I am strong, and I am guided by God. Feel that strength. That's the atmosphere of faith. Every declaration is creating alignment in your life. You're not speaking empty words. You are releasing divine authority. Speak with boldness because heaven backs your voice. Now we'll speak about dominion, the authority God gave you to rule your day, not be ruled by it. Job 22, verse 28 says, "You shall declare a thing, and it shall be established for you." You are about to declare your morning into victory. You are about to take dominion over your atmosphere. Take a deep breath, lift your head high, and get ready to speak with power, because your words create your world. Listen to the soundtrack of your own life, the words you repeat about yourself, your dreams, your struggles. Those words build the world you want to live in. Thanks for watching. If this message touches you, share it with someone who needs it today. And subscribe for more Bible words